Hi, Professor Tradiak. Here's the presentation on the Set Your Table program I've developed. The presentation is targeting school administrators, and I'm working to sell them on the importance of adopting the program in Frederick County, Maryland. Enjoy! I'm here today to propose a comprehensive nutrition education curriculum for Frederick County high school students. The natural question you're probably asking yourself is, why is this important? First, let me emphasize the importance of a healthful diet on all of the things confronting today's adolescents. This includes not only health and lifestyle, but all the things you may know today's students to worry about, from clear skin and great hair to academic and athletic performance, getting a job, joining the military, or getting into college, and ultimately to living long and productive lives. All of this may sound like a stretch to some of you, but I assure you it's not. If you think about the foods we eat every day as the fuel we need to propel all of those activities, achievements, and life goals, then you'll recognize that healthful foods provide the foundation for our students becoming their best selves. Okay, so healthful foods can help students achieve goals. Well, this is precisely why nutrition education and cooking skills are important for students to learn. You may all be familiar with the wide availability of convenience foods, fast food restaurants, prepared foods at the grocery store, even food delivery trucks that drive around our very neighborhoods. The rise in convenience foods is one underlying cause of a fairly rapid change in the health status of Americans. Obesity is something we are all too familiar with. Obesity and the conditions associated with it are health crises we are working to reverse, and the prevalence has skyrocketed. Maryland ranks 13th out of 50 for obesity in the nation, and in 2017, 23.6% of Frederick County high school students self-identified as overweight or obese. That is nearly 1/4 of high school students. Research demonstrates that when individuals and families cook and eat their own foods at home, they're doing their health a big favor. And circling back to obesity, dietary improvements reduce risks for obesity and the associated chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, cancer, stroke, and more. So, learning about food and learning how to cook for yourself is an invaluable life skill. So how can we shift the tide? What does this mean for the students in our schools? Here in Frederick County, the goal of the Physical Education, Health, and Athletics program is that all FCPS students develop and value a healthy lifestyle. And yet, our students are not receiving even the minimum amount of nutrition education to actually swing the pendulum in a positive direction. Studies show that students need 40 to 50 hours per year in order for meaningful behavior change to take place. Here in Frederick County, an assessment of student exposure to nutrition education and cooking highlights an area of great need. The only required exposure to food and cooking these students receive comes in middle school, years before that knowledge will be put to practical action. To build on the knowledge students are receiving and to prepare them for a healthier adulthood, I present to you the Set Your Table Nutrition Education Program. It is an evidence-based, school-implemented nutrition education curriculum that provides students with the knowledge and skills they need to learn how to cook for themselves. Set Your Table engages students' minds through a series of lectures, discussions, and activities in both 11th and 12th grades. In 11th grade, the curriculum capitalizes on common student values, from things like appearance to social justice and autonomy, while emphasizing the role of food and cooking in achieving individual goals. Later in 12th grade, students learn the connection between healthy food choices they make today and health implications 5, 10, or even 50 years down the road. In both grades, students participate in an interactive grocery store tour and educational experience that concludes with them shopping for ingredients and then preparing a recipe of their choice in the school kitchen. 11th grade students focus on preparing a healthy breakfast and snack, while 12th grade students advance to preparing a healthy lunch and dinner. Set Your Table is a carefully planned and implemented program that takes student preferences, levels of experience, and cultural background all into account. The curriculum is progressive and interactive, and it provides invaluable life skills for student success in adulthood. Experts believe schools are the perfect venue for modeling positive lifestyle choices, which includes healthy food and eating behaviors. Not only do schools possess significant resources and communicate to a large captive audience, they are also organizations of influence within communities. In terms of the Set Your Table program, offering food knowledge and instruction in schools also lends a critical social element and key environmental supports that are incomparable. Schools participating in Set Your Table agree to modify the cafeteria and food offerings to align with the goals of the program. In addition, the program conducts outreach to parents and families to encourage support to students in the home, food, and cooking environment. There's also great value in students cooking together with and observing their peers in a positive food environment. Successful completion of the Set Your Table program provides students with food and nutrition knowledge along with the concrete experience of cooking their own meals. They leave having prepared a breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. They have toured a grocery store and shopped for their own food, and they have a set of invaluable life skills that will stick with them through adulthood. The fiscal budget for FCPS for 2019 is $602,297,453. Let that number sit for just a second. More than $602 million. This translates to approximately $13,800 per student just for this year alone. Set Your Table is a curriculum that benefits not only students, but also their families, schools, the Frederick County community, and the state of Maryland. Research shows that students with healthier diets are less likely to be absent and are more likely to achieve academic success. What better way to ensure the best return on student investment and to prepare Frederick County students for a healthier adulthood than by helping them to learn it, plan it, and make it. Thank you. Here are my references.